Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to use vlookup, vertical lookup, by solving one exercise about vlookup that I sent you before. So let us start it. So this the homework that I already sent it to you. That one. Open that dash file using the Microsoft Excel and do the following. So those dash files, we have invoice. I open it, and we have an editing, and we have another file SSD. Okay, so it is already open. So let's continue. Place the functions invoice file in cell C12 and F12 to look up the make, model, capacity, and unit price of this item using the product code for the lookup value and the external file SSD for the array. So for the lookup value, I have to use what? I have to use the product code, okay, for the file of for the file of invoice file, and for the array, I have to use the external file. I have to highlight the whole table. So let us start it. And here, that make sure that if there's no data is entered in the product code column, then nothing is displayed. So what I have to do, like, if there's no any data entered in the product code in the in which file, in the invoice file, in this case, don't display anything. So let us start it here. Here we have to use the make. In the make, we have to use the vlookup function. But as I told you, if it's empty, if this one empties, so please make this one empty. So I have to use if condition. If the product code is empty, what does it mean empty? We have to use the double quotation, make it empty. Otherwise, use the vlookup function here. We have to use the vlookup function here. We check the product code. Okay, my lookup value is the product code. So I have to choose A12, and then here my table array is, as I told you, the external file of SSD. So I just go highlight the whole SSD here, and because I'm searching for what? I'm searching for the make. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means the column index number is supposed to be 4. And then we can choose either true or false. I want exact match, so that's why I have to choose false. And then close it. Okay. Now it's already working here. I use if condition. If this empty, if this one empty, make it empty. Otherwise, search for vlookup A12. Okay, for the lookup value, and for the array, I use the external file SSD. I highlight the whole table, and then I choose 4 because the index number is 4. You can here see it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I choose false for exact match. Okay, I have to do for the model. Let's see the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the model 5, and for the unit capacity 1, 2, 3, and for the unit price, the column index is 1 and 2. So let's do for the model. We do the same. Actually, no need to write again. We just copy here. Sorry, and then paste it and just change it for the model. Just change it to the 5. For the capacity here, I forgot. I didn't see capacity 3. Yes, so change it to the 3. Okay, this is 3 now. For the unit price is 2, so change it to 2. Okay, change it to 2 now. Change it to 2. Okay. Now, let me do just test it. SSD1. Okay, it's working fine. No problem. Let's go to the next question here. Replicate this function from 1323. So I forgot. Let me do, replicate it until 23. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. Let's see the question again. Let's see the question again here. Where is it? Okay. Let's in G12 formula to multiply the number of items by unit of price. Make sure that if there's no data is entered in the number of the items column, then nothing is displayed. Okay, so that's also the same. I have to choose now I have to calculate the price here. So the price is number of items multiply unit price. But if I use this function like this, multiply this, will show me like unit price, yes. Okay, for example, this is D1. It show me like 0, but they say if there's number of items empty, it should show me like it's empty. As it's here, it's a question. Make sure if there's entered in the number of items columns, then nothing was displayed. So let's solve this problem here. We just use this if condition, and if this one is empty, empty is represented two-time double quotation. Make it empty, otherwise make these operations B12 multiply F12. Now it's working, now it's empty. So then we replicate it for everyone. And the last could look good. And then place in the G20 for the calculate of the total price of the price column. So we just use the equal sum here, and then from price until the end, from G12 until G23, and then close it. Okay, now it's good. If I try 10 here, it's good. They give me like correct answer. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to last question here. This is your work by adding SSD28. Okay, so let's just do SSD28 and then we use the number 10. Okay, this one SSD28 and then put the number 10. It's working fine. Okay, and then save it and you can send it to my email. So this by the way, you can just add many product SSD, for example 100 and 2 product is automatically is calculating the sum for me. So this is the end of our video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.